Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video. Talking about the weather is a part of everyday life. Here are 100 simple and useful sentences to describe different weather conditions. Perfect for beginners to practice and use daily. Let's get started.
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm outside.
It's sunny and warm outside.
The weather is cloudy, but it's not raining.
The weather is cloudy, but it's not raining.
It's very hot today. Let's stay indoors.
It's very hot today. Let's stay indoors.
It's cold outside. Don't forget your jacket.
It's cold outside. Don't forget your jacket.
Look at the sky. It's so blue and clear.
Look at the sky. It's so blue and clear.
The weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow.
The weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow.
I love walking in the rain.
I love walking in the rain.
The wind is strong. Hold your hat.
The wind is strong. Hold your hat.
It's a perfect day for a picnic.
It's a perfect day for a picnic.
It's snowing. Let's make a snowman.
It's snowing. Let's make a snowman.
Do you like sunny or rainy days?
Do you like sunny or rainy days?
The weather is so humid. I'm sweating a lot.
The weather is so humid. I'm sweating a lot.
I enjoy the cool breeze in the evening.
I enjoy the cool breeze in the evening.
It's foggy. I can't see very far.
It's foggy. I can't see very far.
The sun is shining brightly this morning.
The sun is shining brightly this morning.
It's drizzling. Take your umbrella.
It's drizzling. Take your umbrella.
The thunder is loud. A storm is coming.
The thunder is loud. A storm is coming.
The weather is perfect for a cup of tea.
The weather is perfect for a cup of tea.
It's freezing outside. Wear your gloves.
It's freezing outside. Wear your gloves.
The sky is full of dark clouds.
The sky is full of dark clouds.
Let's wait until the rain stops.
Let's wait until the rain stops.
The temperature is rising. It's getting hotter.
The temperature is rising. It's getting hotter.
It's a chilly morning. I need a scarf.
It's a chilly morning. I need a scarf.
The weather today is better than yesterday.
The weather today is better than yesterday.
The sunset looks beautiful in this clear sky.
The sunset looks beautiful in this clear sky.
The weather is unpredictable in spring.
The weather is unpredictable in spring.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
I heard it will snow this weekend.
I heard it will snow this weekend.
The wind is making the trees sway.
The wind is making the trees sway.
The sun feels nice after so many cloudy days.
The sun feels nice after so many cloudy days.
It's a dry day, no signs of rain.
It's a dry day, no signs of rain.
The rainbow looks magical after the rain.
The rainbow looks magical after the rain.
It's too windy to ride a bike.
It's too windy to ride a bike.
I like the smell of rain on the ground.
I like the smell of rain on the ground.
The weather is mild. It's neither hot nor cold.
The weather is mild. It's neither hot nor cold.
There's a storm warning for tonight.
There's a storm warning for tonight.
The stars are shining brightly in the clear sky.
The stars are shining brightly in the clear sky.
It's a warm night. Let's sit outside.
It's a warm night. Let's sit outside.
The snow is melting as the sun comes out.
The snow is melting as the sun comes out.
The weather in this city changes quickly.
The weather in this city changes quickly.
It's hailing, stay indoors.
It's hailing, stay indoors.
The air is fresh after the rain.
The air is fresh after the rain.
Summer days are long and bright.
Summer days are long and bright.
I love the sound of raindrops on the roof.
I love the sound of raindrops on the roof.
It's a sunny morning, let's go for a run.
It's a sunny morning, let's go for a run.
The frost on the grass looks pretty.
The frost on the grass looks pretty.
It's getting dark early in winter.
It's getting dark early in winter.
The wind is cool, it feels refreshing.
The wind is cool, it feels refreshing.
The clouds are moving fast in the sky.
The clouds are moving fast in the sky.
It's a gloomy day, but I feel happy.
It's a gloomy day, but I feel happy.
The temperature dropped suddenly, it feels cold now.
The temperature dropped suddenly, it feels cold now.
It's a hot day, let's drink some lemonade.
It's a hot day, let's drink some lemonade.
The weather is ideal for gardening.
The weather is ideal for gardening.
It's too hot to go out during the afternoon.
It's too hot to go out during the afternoon.
It's a rainy day, let's stay home and watch movies.
It's a rainy day, let's stay home and watch movies.
The sun is setting, the sky looks orange and pink.
The sun is setting, the sky looks orange and pink.
It's misty in the morning during winter.
It's misty in the morning during winter.
I need sunglasses, it's very sunny.
I need sunglasses, it's very sunny.
The cold wind makes my hands numb.
The cold wind makes my hands numb.
I enjoy sitting by the window on rainy days.
I enjoy sitting by the window on rainy days.
The snowflakes are falling gently.
The snowflakes are falling gently.
The weather here is cooler than in my hometown.
The weather here is cooler than in my hometown.
It's sunny now, but it might rain later.
It's sunny now, but it might rain later.
A warm blanket feels nice on a cold night.
A warm blanket feels nice on a cold night.
It's a stormy evening, let's light some candles.
It's a stormy evening, let's light some candles.
The heat makes me tired and sleepy.
The heat makes me tired and sleepy.
The weather feels perfect for a walk in the park.
The weather feels perfect for a walk in the park.
The air is crisp and fresh in the mountains.
The air is crisp and fresh in the mountains.
It's a windy day, flying a kite would be fun.
It's a windy day, flying a kite would be fun.
I don't like humid weather, it makes me uncomfortable.
I don't like humid weather, it makes me uncomfortable.
The sun is shining after 3 rainy days.
The sun is shining after 3 rainy days.
It's a calm evening with no wind.
It's a calm evening with no wind.
The ice on the roads makes driving dangerous.
The ice on the roads makes driving dangerous.
The clear blue sky makes me happy.
The clear blue sky makes me happy.
It's raining lightly, we don't need a heavy coat.
It's raining lightly, we don't need a heavy coat.
The stars are hidden behind the clouds tonight.
The stars are hidden behind the clouds tonight.
It's snowing heavily, schools are closed today.
It's snowing heavily, schools are closed today.
I hope the weather stays like this all week.
I hope the weather stays like this all week.
The gentle rain helps me relax and sleep better.
The gentle rain helps me relax and sleep better.
The air is so fresh after the thunderstorm.
The air is so fresh after the thunderstorm.
It's a rainy morning. Don't forget your raincoat.
It's a rainy morning. Don't forget your raincoat.
The summer heat makes the roads very hot.
The summer heat makes the roads very hot.
I love feeling the sun on my skin.
I love feeling the sun on my skin.
It's getting warmer as the day goes on.
It's getting warmer as the day goes on.
The snow looks beautiful on the rooftops.
The snow looks beautiful on the rooftops.
It's cloudy, but the sun might come out later.
It's cloudy, but the sun might come out later.
I can hear the wind whistling through the trees.
I can hear the wind whistling through the trees.
It's too hot to cook. Let's eat something cold.
It's too hot to cook. Let's eat something cold.
The rain has stopped, but the ground is still wet.
The rain has stopped, but the ground is still wet.
The weather feels just right for reading a book outside.
The weather feels just right for reading a book outside.
It's a bright and cheerful day.
It's a bright and cheerful day.
The sunrise was stunning in the clear sky.
The sunrise was stunning in the clear sky.
It's getting chilly. Let's close the windows.
It's getting chilly. Let's close the windows.
The fog makes everything look mysterious.
The fog makes everything look mysterious.
The wind feels strong near the sea.
The wind feels strong near the sea.
The weather today is perfect for a barbecue.
The weather today is perfect for a barbecue.
The heavy rain is making the streets flood.
The heavy rain is making the streets flood.
It's a sunny day. Let's wear light clothes.
It's a sunny day. Let's wear light clothes.
The cool breeze is so refreshing after a hot day.
The cool breeze is so refreshing after a hot day.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.